This conference will now be recorded.
Now, what I want you to try is, I want you to try if I can add. Now, you tried with admin. Same way, try with sales, try with HR, try with executive. Now, what after that, what I want you to try is, I want you to give me the answer of the salary of admin and sales together. I repeat, I want the answer of salary and admin together. How do you do it? Try. Put two. Try it. Anybody who could found? You want me to give you 2 minutes? Why is only 35 people there? Class, you're doing? Anybody got the answers for it? Nishta?
I'm trying.
Okay. Priyanka?
Same, trying, ma'am.
Yeah, do it. Else I'll do and show you. Okay. You can try with how I tell you to put them. Now put sum if C2 to C17, comma, admin in double inverted, comma, D2 to D17, close the parenthesis, plus sum if, same function. Simple. Did you try putting admin, double inverted admin, comma, again double inverted sales? Did you try with that? Why is nobody answering me? I believe you're working. Nikita, okay, I'll give you 2 minutes to finish this. This formula is very, vastly used in companies so that they can use this function with a large data. This function, countif functions. So, okay. Okay.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Now, I'll just show you in the different screen. We'll go to the next function. So you can see this countif and countif together, how we have had it. So the same way, you will also do this sumif. Class, were you able to do is error and if error? Did you get the outputs? Were you able to do this? Match with max? Yes, no. You're able to hear me today, right? Okay, do this PMT function. PMT function where you will have to give the principal amount, rate of interest, and years. That is your simple interest, what you do. That is PMT, principal amount, years, and amount. Do this. Were you able to do this? We'll go to the next function. There are a lot of different functions. Okay, I'll send these notes to you by tomorrow so that you can work on all this. And tomorrow onwards, we'll be starting with the advanced part of macros. I explained you about that on the other day. So tomorrow we will be starting that. So usually everybody attend the class, but because it is the first introduction and then you miss introduction, you don't understand how to work. Okay, try this RAND function, RAND. Um, Random numbers. It has X plus 2 useful function when it comes to creating random numbers and the rand between function. The first function is RAND function. So what happens when you give a number, random numbers appears as autofill. Don't do the first part, maximum we already done. Do the, okay. Then you will, one second, one second. You be on, I'll just join. Now, now what are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am. Random numbers.
Okay. Now you can hear me? Okay, just for confirmation, is this clear? Can you hear what I'm talking now? Or now you can hear me? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I was telling that was this Deepika K. I said I want you to share your screen or switch on the camera and show me what you're doing. Show me the, Excel sheet. Deepika left. Very good. Whosoever name I take, they will. Nikita Gupta. You're there? Nikita? Okay. I just waste my time calling out your names. None of you answer me. Okay. So next function, we'll just put the next function because this is a very simple question. Like it will convert to the even numbers. Okay, it will convert your function to a next even number. So whatever number you might have given, it will convert to next. It will show you the next even number or next odd numbers. Just try. It's a very simple. Javeria, you want me to send the PPT to you? I will send the PPT to people who have been working, to the people who have sent all the assignments. What's it? I want you to work and show me. Just sending you having the PPT is of no use. Javeria, you're working?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this function is a nested function which says we did with mod function, correct? The remaining function. So if it is equal to 0, then if it is a even function or a odd function. So this is what it gives you the, okay, my screen did not change. So this function says when the remaining value is 0, if it is the number is odd or even. So I repeat, when I have a condition telling if the reminder value is 0, I want my answer to be 1, or whether the answer is an even number or an odd number. Good. We did with this, correct? If error is error. Okay. Now to count errors, so you can see here, first if is error, we did, correct. So these array formulas are also all the nested formulas where we will be using them in a way how our data is. Okay, so in the first, it is only to count, only to see the if error. What are the errors? In the second formula, what is the function is, I want to know about how many is errors are there in the how many errors are there in the particular data. So that is how I count the function. Do that.
So after these few functions, I will give you a practical assignment and practical a kind of test where you will do it in a separate file and send me the file. It is something as I give you the machine room one. So that is what you have to do. So in the class only you will be working with that. In the class only you will do, and by 8 o'clock you have to send on time. One function you get hands-on, then you can play with all the functions together. Do it all of you. Once done, put one. Okay, you can see my screen. You can see my screen, class. So it's a very small data. You can put that. So put this. Have you done with machine room 2? Class.
No, ma'am.
Class. Did we do with machine room 2?
No, ma'am.
Yes, no. No, ma'am. Okay, do it. So it is basically where you'll be using more of logical functions here in this session and in this the second machine room session, because first we had very simple add, subtract things, correct? So in this we will be using a little of these functions, logical functions. So please do them. Put them in the sheet. Put message if you have any doubt. I don't know why nobody's talking in the class. Okay, no, I'll stop recording now.
This conference will now be recorded.
Can anyone please talk? Tell me that the screen is visible or not. Nishta?
Yes, ma'am.
No, please unmute and talk.
On the screen is visible.
Nishta?
Ma'am, the screen is visible. Can you hear me? Hello? Am I audible?
Okay. Can you? Hmm. I am using two laptops. My daughter dropped my laptop from up. No, you are not audible. 1 second.
Ma'am, am I audible now?
Now talk, Nishta.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, okay. There's some, yeah, now do it. There is some problem in that laptop. Okay, do it by 8 o'clock. You have more questions, okay? I'll give you 10 minutes and then I will move the next questions, next set of questions. So, just do this. Everyone, I must get all 40 files in the this, and do not protect the file. Just when you send your assignments, put them in that, no, put your name and send, so that I will identify and it's easier for me to mark that. calculate the total. You can also, if you are not able to add in the data, you can put below. Okay, you can give that it's a count function. Believe you can determine the number of records in the above data using count function. So there, if you're not able to put that in that data, what you can do is below just put as count and then put the data. Calculate the average each student, go to row 15, calculate the maximum, minimum, this and all you can do. But when you're doing, no, like it says go to row 15, what I want you to do is in the above where you have average, give there as maximum number. Okay, and put this maximum number, do it in row 15 only. But then let that column be headed as maximum. Same way, minimum. Were you able to hear me? By tomorrow, everything will be fine. The problem happened with my laptop where
In the go to 15th row and calculate the maximum marks. I mean, like, uh, we can do it, but then, ma'am, like we have to put the names of each student in the column.
no, see, it is only maximum row, no? Instead, go to 15, row 15. So what you do is you go to the row 15, there in that column, no? Okay, you can also put a small table there in 15 and
Yes, ma'am, because it's getting a little weird.
you can do that.
Show you the screen also. I mean,
Hmm. No, you can do that in the 15th row, no? 15th A and B, you can just put there as maximum and minimum and you can get that. Put a small table there.
ma'am, just a second. Like, can I show you the screen and ask you the question?
Correct. 1 second. 1 second. I need to replace it. You can do it.
Ma'am, this one, like if 89, I have to see the max I've done it from, like for terms, it is like 89, 88, 89, like this I've done. Then for chars, I'll be selecting this again. And here I would be selecting, ma'am, again the same thing. So, like, should I write the names of the people also here?
Not required. Not
Okay,
required. I'll get to know. You
okay,
do enter. Do enter.
just a second.
Do that function again.
78. Is that fine?
Okay, no. So 1 second, 1 second. F1. Keep your cursor in E201, where that 78 is. Keep your cursor there. C18. Instead, do the total marks any question you have based on to add the maximum value? No, no.
Ma'am, we have to add also. So then we can like from here I'll total it in the next column.
Just a second. Chavi, out, out. Yeah, what is the question says? Go to row 15 and calculate the maximum marks for each student and for total. See, each student and total it says. But what you did is you took from C 187 to C. That is how you did, no? Instead,
And
do
for
it
each
subject
student,
wise
so I'll take
M1,
it time.
M1,
So
M2,
because
M3, M4.
it
Each
says for each
student then,
student, so
because if you do this, you will yourself confuse next while seeing for which student where you have done. In this point,
so ma'am,
just add
what
one
I'll
more
do is
column.
I'll just add
Don't,
names here. I mean, I'll just write on the top of it which student am I talking about.
yes, you
That
can.
would make it clear, no?
Okay, I continue. Now my screen is visible. Why is the screen not? Wow, it's acting very much weird. I'm so sorry, class. You will make sure from top of the table, she's dropped the laptop down. So I'm using some very old laptop and is this visible? Maybe one thing I can do is I can send you this through WhatsApp. What's in? And you can do it and send me this. What's a class? Will that be a good idea?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So anyone has doubt with formulas, functions? We can discuss that now. And you can do this and send me. Anyone class who's not able to do and you have some doubts with any of the functions, because tomorrow onwards we are not going to do with these functions. Anything else to be discussed here? Class? Mm. I'll take your names and ask you questions now. Who's this? Hamza, you're there? I know you are there. You can text me if you don't have to talk. Okay. Tell me, what function do you use when I have two columns numbers and I want to multiply them and then I want the final total of the data? What is the function you use? Class, I am sending you all the Hamza. How about Tanisha? Tanisha, you're there?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer for the question I
Ma'am,
asked
that's
her?
factorial.
No, I repeat my question. I have data in two column. Column A, I have a few number. Column B, I have few numbers. So column A, I want the total of both column A, column B's multiplication.
Ma'am, multiplication and the total and the sum of that, right?
Correct. Yes.
So,
So
ma'am,
what is the
that's
function you
factorial
use?
only.
Mm. Anybody else? Average function, no. Okay, Tanisha, as you told factorial function, how do you use a factorial function?
Ma'am, with exclamation mark.
Can you please give me an example? You can put that in the chat, how you put the function there.
Yes, ma'am, just a second.
Yeah. Vaishnavi, when I ask you something, you're the last one to even mute or unmute or put a message there. And today, even before I ask you, you have your answer there. Hmm? What, Vaishnavi?
Ma'am?
When I call out your name, you do not answer me.
No, ma'am. Yesterday I was using my phone. Even today I'm using my phone, ma'am. So I did not unmute and talk.
Okay. Um, Tanisha, as you told factorial, try that function. And the answer for the function I asked is sum product, where you can multiply two columns and then give a total of the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Is it right? Is the answer right, ma'am?
Factorial? No, I want to know how you will be using the factorial. If you are sure that it is factorial, just put that. I'm not going to blame you something like you have done or you've not done. If you feel it is factorial, a fact function, then put that function. Apply for the um, example I gave you, and you can.
Okay.
Okay, class. So you can just try and tell me. I will send you when I finish this class. I'll just send you in the WhatsApp the machine group, so you can just try them. Okay. So we'll wind up the class. See you tomorrow. Please do not miss tomorrow's class.
We
Bye
need to
bye.
send the assignment now, ma'am.
No, not required because I am sending you the questions only now, no? So you can take your time.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, when will be the last day to submit the assignment?